Hi everybody, it's Patty here. Wanted to go over some Tupperware items in our summer 2020 catalog. Just in case you haven't seen it, this is what it will look like. This is on my website, www.pattybanzoff.my.tupperware.com. This catalog is good till August 26th. What we'll be showing you is some FridgeSmarts and the Fresh and Pure ice trays. So the first item I have is the FridgeSmarts Small. This, believe it or not, holds almost 4 cups. It holds 3/4 quarts. How this works is, looks like just a container, but it actually serves a couple different purposes. Of course, keeps your food fresh, such as strawberries, grapes, beans, peas, Brussels sprouts, herbs, beans, I don't know if I said that, jalapenos, strawberries, Brussels sprouts, grapes, cherries. So each little section either has an X, the circle, the filled-in circle, or the half circle. And what happens is you match up what you're storing to the dots that are on top of the lid. I don't know if you can see that, the half circle, full, and open. So you're going to slide it to whatever you're going to store. And of course it says strawberries, there's an X. So that means is you want to store the strawberries open with absolutely no lid. So that's how that works. That's the FridgeSmarts Small. That is number 660, and that sells for $15. And that is in the catalog, the summer catalog. And the next thing I have is a FridgeSmarts Small Deep. That holds 1 3/4 quart. So that holds almost 5 cups. So it's a pretty large capacity. That is what that looks like. Holds a whole bunch of different kinds of vegetables and fruits. Pineapple, rhubarb, looks like squash, kiwi, whole bunch of different kinds of things. Both fruit and vegetables this will hold. Again, the same thing, either the row that has the X, that is all open, you don't need the lid. Of course, the open circle, the whole circle, and then the half circle. So you just store them with the slider depending on what you're storing. And that is item number 661, and that sells for $20. That is 1 3/4 cup, or 1 3/4 quart, and the other one is 3/4 quart. So sorry, this holds almost 4 cups. I don't know if I said that. Okay, and then the other item I have is the Fresh and Pure ice cube trays, set of 2. They look like that. These are unique because of course they come with a closed lid. Of course the lid pops off like that. The bottoms of the cubes are silicone, so real soft, but they're really durable and strong. So when you're popping your ice cubes out, they will not break. It's durable. It says here dishwasher safe, but I recommend hand washing just because of the heat and then the soft silicone. So how this works is, of course, you seal it up good, fill it with water in the little water hole. I don't know if you can see it, but they have these little guides here. So once you fill it up, the hole up, you fill it up to this fill line. So then, of course, after it's done, you seal it shut, and then kind of tilt it a little bit back and forth until the water equalizes, and then you go ahead and set them in your freezer. And it's nice because it's no spill. You don't have to worry about it tipping in the freezer because it's protected with this lid. So these sell for $29 for a set of 2, and it's item number 1115. And this says hinged opening provides mess-free filling. Soft, flexible base makes popping out ice cubes a breeze. So that is a fresh and pure ice tray set of 2, 1115, $29. And those items are available in our summer 2020 catalog. Alright, you guys have a great day. I will list my website down below. Comment below if you have any questions at all, whether it be about the products, our warranty, hosting a party, or joining Tupperware. I'll make a little video about that later. There's a $15 special going on, and that runs till August the 26th also. So hope you guys have a great day, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.